First, turn on the water inlet solenoid valve and the flow pump. After turning them on, the proportional pump is now running. Pressing the start/stop button in the middle will stop it from running. Pressing it again will start it again. Even if the power is interrupted and then restored, it will continue running. It has a hold function. To adjust the speed, press the up button to increase the speed. The maximum speed is 120, which significantly increases efficiency. Pressing the down button to adjust it to 59 results in a noticeable decrease in efficiency.